You can learn ClickBank for free. There are thousands of videos on YouTube. So why would anyone pay for a training program? That's the real question. In this video, we're comparing free YouTube learning versus a structured system like ClickBank Profit Club. Explorar a fundo os beneficios de se tornar uma especialista em ClickBank, incluindo o potencial de ganhos e a flexibilidade de trabalhar de qualquer lugar. No hype. No bias. Just a clear comparison so you can decide what makes sense for you. Let's start with free content. The biggest advantage is obvious. It's free. You can learn basics, strategies, different approaches without spending anything. But here's the downside: no structure. You jump from one video to another without a clear path. Another issue: too much information. Different creators, different strategies, different opinions. That creates confusion. Now compare the to a structured system. Everything is organized. Instead of random content, step 1, step 2, step 3. Clear progression. This is the real comparison. Free learning equals more time. Structured training equals less confusion. You're not paying for information. You're paying for organization. Free learning works if you're patient. You like exploring. You don't mind trial and error. Structured systems are better if you feel lost. You want clarity. You prefer a defined path. Both work. It's not about right or wrong. It's about what fits your style. If you prefer to learn step by step instead of guessing. You can check how a structured system works in the description and decide what path makes more sense for you.